Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Knights. It's Wednesday, October 19th. I'm Jay.
And I'm Robert.
Bulletin is on.
Bolton.
Didn't girls play a game yesterday?
Yeah, girls soccer played at Mason and scored a victory, 5-0. North Mason. They scored a victory at North Mason, 5-0.
Congratulations, girls. Freshmen, remember that tomorrow is Chromebook Day in your English class. Bring your Chromebook and stylus to school to receive your new one. Online students and students without an English class will be able to get their Chromebook starting Friday in the library. See any questions? See Ms. Hogues or Mr. Thompson in the library.
Key Clubbers, calling all members. There is a long list of fun upcoming volunteer opportunities. Go check them out at this week's Key Club meeting in Miss Irish's room. That's room 232.
Last year, the Bremerton boys wrestling team put in the work at the end of the season as both Olympic League tournament champions and sub-regional champion. 9 ninths wrestlers completed at state. Thor and Lars were both state champions. Are you ready to be part of the winning team?
There will be a preseason wrestling meeting in room 119 at 12:20 p.m. today after school. Anyone interested in finding out more about the upcoming wrestling season should plan to attend the meeting today. That's after school in room 119. Remember, conferences are coming up. Make sure you get signed up. Your night skills teacher can sign you up for a conference time if your parent is unable to do it. I'd sign up for Wednesday so you can have a 4-day weekend.
There'll be a financial aid workshop from 5 to 6:30 p.m. today in the library, and the cutoff to turn in any late assignments for first quarter is this Friday.
Here's what's going on today after school. FCCLA in room 1111. Knight Academy in the library. Speakers of Another Language Club. FASFA/WASFA. Workshop in the library from 5 o'clock to 6:30 p.m. Girls bowling preseason meeting in the Commons at 12:20. And boys/girls wrestling preseason meeting in room 119 at 12:20.
Girls bowling. You know, my cousin went to bowling last weekend.
That you do?
She bowled a 301.
That's not possible.
You sure? Have you ever seen someone bowl 300 and lose?
Okay, in sports, girls swim will be racing the Buccaneers from Kingston at home. So, go to the pool at the Y over in Manette and cheer on the Knights. Good luck, Knights.
And now, let's see who's celebrating their birthdays today.
Happy birthday to Elliot Berkeley and Milena Martinez. That's today's birthday, Knights.
Well, there you have it, Knights. Another bulletin done on a wonderful Wednesday.
Go Knights.